So welcome for today's class of English grammar. This is for class 9th English grammar. So you all can take down the question first. Choose and write the correct words to complete the following sentences. The first one is Holi celebrates the triumph of good dash evil. Okay, so A is on, B is over, C is off, D is before. Which option is the correct option? So it's obviously we know over, over evil. Okay. Next question is time is dash invaluable factor in man's life. So which is the correct option? Obviously it's option B only. Okay, AN. Okay, time is an invisible factor in man's life. Moving towards the next question, that is people apply color on the faces of dash friends during Holi. Of their friends. Okay, option C is the correct option. Of their friends. Okay, moving towards the next question. He answered the exam dash he was sick. Okay, which is the correct option? Although. Okay. Although he was sick. Okay, he answered the exam although he was sick. So option A is the correct option over here. So I hope you have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, queries, you all can comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.